Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel one more time. And as you know that in my YouTube channel I always try to share my real life experience with you because I believe that it can help someone else. So in this video I will be discussing how can we download the assignment papers of IGNOU. If you are a student of IGNOU, maybe you are a bachelor degree course student or a master degree course student, so it is mandatory to submit your assignment papers. So now let's see how can we download the assignment papers and how can we submit our assignment papers and when to submit our assignment papers. So without any delay, let's go to the IGNOU Real website. So as we all know that we just need to write on the Google search bar that is IGNOU. And I also told you in my previous video that you can also make a shortcut or you can bookmark, you can do anything that you like. Now this is the IGNOU Real website, as I also discussed about it in the previous video, ignou.ac.in. Now you have to click on it, and as soon as you click on it you will be getting so many options on the screen like home, about IGNOU, register online, student support and regional network. So if you are already a student in IGNOU, if you have already enrolled for your course, so you can just click on student support and there you can get this option, student zone. In this student zone, there you can get so many options like IGNOU mobile app, IGNOU online admission, and how to track your study maths. So you can get so many of this, but here you will also get an option that is assignment. So let me just find this. Where is assignment? It will be like here, assignments. As you can see that we have got this point, that is assignment. You have to click on assignments. As soon as you click on assignment, you will be getting a list, a long list of each and every subjects in master degree or also in bachelor degree. So I have clicked on assignment and the list is getting opened. Now this is the list of assignments. You can see a lot of subjects are there for master degree as well as the bachelor degree. I'm showing you this is for MA economics, so they are not having any kind of assignments. Philosophy also not having any assignments. History, political science, they are not having any assignments, but you can see that this is MA psychology, now this is MA GD, and now this is MA RD, that is rural development. So they are having a lot of assignments. You can see that. Now I'm scrolling it down. There will be lot more assignments for the bachelor degrees as well, and as well as the diploma course. You can see lot of subjects, long list of those subjects which actually contains assignments. Which does not have any assignment, you can find it over here. So if your subject shows you a blank box, that means you don't have anything to submit as assignment. So as I am the student of MA psychology, so I have to click on the exact session that I have taken admission for. So I have taken admission for July 21 session, so I have to click on first year assignment. This is second year assignment, so don't click on second year assignment if you are the student of MA first year. If you are the student of MA second year, so you can click on second year assignment. Like you can see that in MA rural development they are also having first year assignment and second year assignment for July 2020. So that means they have not yet uploaded July 2021 assignments. So you don't have to download this 2020 assignments because you are the new session students, that means July 21. So you have to wait for the IGNOU to update their assignment status. So now in my psychology section they have already updated the assignment status, that is July 21 to July 21. So I am the student of July 21. If you are the student of January 2022, if you are going to take the admission for January 22, so then you will also be downloading this assignment. So I am a first year student, so I am going to click on first year. If you are a second year student, you will be clicking on second year assignment. So I am clicking on first year assignment. So now this is my PDF. Here I will contain all the details first, and the session that the assignment is for, and in the down below there will be instruction that how to submit this assignment, and you have to fill this form up. You can also fill this online, or you can also fill this by printing it out, and then you can fill this form of your assignment. This is called assignment form, and after filling this form you can read all these instructions from here. Now this is your assignment paper. You have to answer all these questions. You can see that this is 100-mark assignment. You have to write down all the questions. You can see you can also take the help from your if you are having any guide, if you are having any private tutor. You can also take guidance from the college faculties, like the professors that of your study center. They can also help you with the answers. And now how to submit this assignment. When you want to submit this assignment, you can take 3 different ways. First of all, you can download this PDF and you can print it out, make a printout of these pages of the question paper, not of these instructions, but yes, also print out this form. You have to also print it out, this form, because you have to fill it up. So you can print out this page and now this assignment page. So you can print it out, and on the hard copies you can fill up your forms, and you can attach some A4 size paper where you will write down your answers, and you have to attach those papers in this assignment question paper and the assignment form. Now you have to staple all of the papers, and now you can courier it to the address of your study center. As it is now it is a COVID situation, and if you want, you can also visit your study center to submit this written assignment. If you think that you can't visit your study center, you can also do one thing. You can also fill it up on like you can also write your answers on MS Word, and you can convert that MS Word file into the PDF format, and you can also mail them, or you can also send it to your study center on the said mail ID of your study center. So these are the 3 different ways to submit your assignment form. You can submit it by courier. You can submit it through email with the soft copies, as it is a COVID situation. You can also go visit your study center and you can submit your assignment. So you can take any one of the path you want. So this is all about IGNOU Study Center, IGNOU assignment download. And now this is the process you have to adopt to submit your assignment. And to solve this assignment papers, you have to take the help from your guide. If you are able to solve by your own, then it is absolutely fine. So this is not a rocket science. Just you have to download the assignment paper, you have to solve the problem, and you have to submit it to the study center that you have chosen. And when to submit it? If you want to submit your assignment paper, the said date is 31st March for the June session, 31st March 2022, and for the January session, I think it is going to be around September or October. The date will be announced on your IGNOU website, so keep an eye on that. And now the date keeps changing, so you have to take the updates from the IGNOU Real website on the Student Zone. So on the Student Zone, you will be getting so many updates of when to submit your assignment papers, what is the last date of submission of your assignment papers. So you can just find all those things on Student Zone. So now in IGNOU Student Zone, you will be finding all those details, and please download your assignment papers now. Keep solving your assignment papers because you have so much time now. It is only July, so you can get a lot of time till March 31st. So don't wait. Download your PDF, start solving your assignment paper, and submit it as soon as you finish. I hope this video will become helpful for you, and I hope I have covered all the information relating to assignment papers. If you get any query, you can post in my chat box. I'll try to solve this out. Till then, take care everyone. Bye bye.